It's a new day in South Korea and I'm super happy and excited because I woke up at this wonderful hotel room. We have a huge bathtub and the sink is just right near the entrance. We have no carpets, tiles everywhere, which doesn't add any additional comfort, but it's easier to clean. We have a huge king-size bed, it's super comfy, the view is not good at all, but we don't need it. So somehow we managed to pack all of our clothes in one bag again. The peculiar thing about Korean hotels, in most places they do have smart toilet seats, which means you can use all of the buttons to your convenience, so you may check it on your own. It's super nice and funny. My soulmate wants to find something to eat like from European breakfast, and we were aiming at eggs Benedict or some omelette and ham or omelette and sausage. It's finally sunny, like nothing happened the day before when we got completely soaked with all of our clothes. So today it's super sunny, nice and almost warm. You don't need to wear a hat at least, but the coat is gonna be still a good plus. We chose the hotel in a very nice location where a lot of food places should be according to the map. We don't need to take any transport, we just go by food and check all of the delicious things. At least we hope so. When it's sunny, I'm always in a good mood. I do need this energy. You need to put your name on a wait list in order to get a seat. It's a busy place, obviously it's super popular one, and you need to wait before you eat, which is very unusual for us. Okay, let's put the name on the list and see what it's gonna be like. We have no idea how much time it's gonna take because it's about 6 people before ours, and you can't promise when they finish their meal and the seat is going to be available for you. You can comfortably wait near the restaurant in a very nice and greenery chill zone where you can enjoy all the nature, all of the sun. So we spent here for about 20 minutes being hungry and waiting for 20 minutes before you even place an order. It's a disaster. When you're hungry, you are angry and you can't think about anything else. So you have to make it happen. We eventually checked out from the waiting list and went looking for another place. The menu says everything is gonna be delicious. It's like Mediterranean cuisine with some Korean touch. Wow, what can be Korean touch? Maybe they're gonna add additional spiciness or more fish. A lot of dishes like pasta, soups. We did spend some time to figure out everything because menu without pictures is a bit a torture for tourists, especially if it's Asian country. We decided on pasta with shrimps. Honestly, I wanted to order a different meal, but why not having the same? They brought us a huge dish with multiple things on the plate. Pasta, all kinds of sea product like clams, octopus and shrimps, also crabs. It looked fantastic. Little did we know that it just one portion. Later they brought the second one for me. That was a surprise because it's a huge one. So always make sure to start with one dish for two if a restaurant allows you to do that. This dish was so peculiar, a lot of oil. The menu said it would be like shrimp pasta, but it has it all. clams, crabs, octopus. So make sure to stop here if you have stressful moments about fish or any kind of disgusting feelings. Please don't watch the rest story about octopus. Please don't do that. Why not eating the whole octopus? It's so small, it looks so beautiful. Well, the texture, the taste, oh my god. It felt like a very salty, watery jelly, which was disgusting. Let's imagine you're swimming in Dubai and you are also having all of the fresh fish with this water. And this is what it's like, jelly-like, it's salty, it's impossible to eat. And add here a lot of oil. It felt so disgusting that when I can't feel the clear texture and can't recognize it, I don't like it. And this time it proves it all. When I started from legs, it was okay, but when I swallowed the head, it was, oh my god. Eating someone's brain and imagining it and feeling it, oh, and smelling it, it was, oh my god. My tongue and all of my feelings said, no, we're not gonna take it. And then I immediately stopped eating, and you see what it looks like. In my mouth, it was everything salty and jelly, and I hated it. I said, we have to get out of here. We have to find some juice because I need to change the taste just immediately. When you feel no good with food, I do recommend to drink immediately something sour. It's gonna come back you to life. So thank you for listening to this horrible story. It was a very unexpected experience. I hope I did not make you to hate me. It is what it is. This is a true channel about challenges and good things during the trip. I can't make it any other way. I can't think about fish products at least half a year. I got a trauma. It was quite an experience and I have a lot to tell. Please don't try this. It's horrible. Later on, when I came back to life, we made it to the nearest nice in Sadon Street. It's a very cute local shopping street where you can enjoy some souvenirs without rush. It's not like Myeongdong. It's more into a very slow and relaxing pace. We made it to our favorite craft shop. It's more like craft department store since they have a lot of handmade boutiques here, and these objects are only in one quantity. During this trip, we decided to stay at first at Seoul, then go to Busan, and then come back to Seoul.
А потому что все.
Центр еще.
Maybe you know Namane card. Namane card is a debit card for tourists, which can be used everywhere in South Korea, except railway station. They don't take foreign credit cards, they don't take these Namane cards, they take only local cards from locals and cash. How to know how much cash do you need? Go to automated ticket box where it said only local cards. That's fine. You need to find the train and time and the destination where you want to go. They have slow train, which is called Magungwa, and high-speed train, which is called KTX. We did not have with us some cash, so we needed to exchange more, and we made it to the nearest money box exchange center. It's a very good exchanger, very comfy closed room where you can comfortably exchange your money, and they always have the best rates. So we exchanged the money and then we bought the tickets. They also have foreigner support chat. If they think they won't understand you, you choose your language and then you start to speak where you want to go. You name the time, you name the train, and they sell you the ticket. If they say, oh, the tickets, let's say for tomorrow, they sold out, don't panic. These tickets are for seats. They are sold out. But you still can make it to this train. You still can buy a ticket without a seat. What does it mean? For some stations, this seat can be empty and you can use it. Once owner appears, you need to leave it. You need to make it available again. From Seoul to Busan, you can reach on a very fast train. It takes just 2.5 hours if you choose a KTX, and about 5 hours if you choose Magungwa slow train. If you do enjoy slow traveling, do that. When tickets were eventually in our pockets, we made it to the local cafe. It's in the railway station, and we got some pastries. One of the many pastries we like for this adventure is the Ep.2 pastry. It's from Hong Kong, traditional cuisine, and it's so lovely. Do recommend you to try it. It's so smooth and not super sugary. How you understand that you're in Korea? Just enter, let's say, a ladies' restroom or men's restroom. You immediately see at least one person who brushes their teeth. People do this everywhere. It's a very nice fashion. Girls can make a maquillage, can do makeup, even on the railway station and even at the airport. So they have a lot of beauty automat where you can buy some face cream and maybe BB cream or lipstick or maybe even nail polisher, anything you need for your beauty. Near the Seoul railway station, they have a very nice bridge. It looks like and feels like a high-line park in New York City. Very nice and comfy, with trees, greenery, and some flowers everywhere.
Ой, мультик какой-то. Это будет няшненько. Приходите.
After this amazing, successful journey to buy tickets, we decided to continue our nostalgia and go to Lotte Mall. It's a very famous place in Seoul where you can do your shopping if you do like luxury brands and you're ready to buy expensive things. Otherwise, you can just go there like in Dubai Mall. Just go to this place like in a museum and don't buy anything. In this Lotte Mall, again, this is our favorite place from the first travel here. It's called Aqua Cafe. You may have some refreshing drinks, some smoothies or coffee. In Korea, they have amazing coffee everywhere.
Ничего такого не бывает.
One real berry milk. Real berry milk. Mango yogurt. Card.
Restroom is outside.
Here. Inside.
Toilet is outside. Toilet is outside.
Toilet outside.
Toilet is
Okay.
We got some yogurt smoothies. It was so sweet but still delicious and very hearty. You don't need another dessert to complete this experience. So in this cafe you have aquariums everywhere. The atmosphere is so serene and nice. People sit near the aquariums, they watch fish swimming and enjoy their drinks. It's so relaxing. You don't want to leave this place. You want to stay here for a very, very long time and kind of meditate. This place was recommended one of our acquaintances from Twitch, and we are super grateful for that because this place is so unique and very, very cool.
Здесь были смузи. Да? Пика-пика. Пика.
These days, Seoul has a Pokemon Fest. I was already spoiled about it from my Italian friend. Pokemon theme is everywhere. You could get a very unique collection cards for Pokemons. According to some sources, you need to figure out where some cards are located around the city, then collect them all. Then have a local Korean number and local Korean ID, and then take a place in a huge queue to get a collection Pokemon card. It was a very huge line of people, nearly about 300 people, maybe even more. When we exited Lotte Mall, they stayed there in the nearest park. After 2 hours they were still standing. It was super cold and I don't know how they did that. The whole Pokemon theme is so cute. These smiles just remind you of your childhood when you were watching Pokemon and everything was so cute. I do love the decoration and overall atmosphere in this park. Why it's so cold in Korea? The second time I come here. Why? I still got my scarf and coat. Oh, let it be warm, please.
Можно присесть?
We got hungry eventually, very fast because we were freezing cold, and we made it back to Lotte Mall where we found Vietnamese cuisine. Thank God they have pictures here, so we chose some rolls, bread and something else. Oh, and chicken, we found chicken. In Korea they do love eat pork and beef, but chicken is like, oh, it's chicken. Everything was super delicious and we really appreciate it.
Какое все зеленое на камере, прям вообще.
Если ты любишь стоять в очередях, то всегда их найдешь.
Вот.
Очередей много где, да.
We still got hungry when we made it to our place again, because it took us about 30 minutes to reach our hotel place. And JS25, thank you for your existence. We forever grateful. Our favorite sausages, they are all here. What an amazing solution to sell ready to go chicken fillet and sausages on a stick ready to eat 24/7. What an amazing idea. So we got some sausages, heat them up in the microwave and went outside under the rain to enjoy our meals. And it was something unforgettable.
Вот здесь мы и встанем.
И так они ели.
Та-дам.
У меня руки кончились.
Да, капай сюда.
Че, острое?
Что капает? Дождь, что ли? Дождь идет? Блин. Да фишки. Рыбу. Рыбу. Третий раз я.
Да ладно тебе.
Не хочу больше рыбы.
One amazing and very nice relaxing place is the river going just in the middle of Seoul. This place was very boring during winter time, but now when everything is green and it's much warmer than before, people just walking and having fun, someone's running, someone's just nicely talking. That's lovely.
Туда?
Ну, логичнее просто, логичнее.
Of course, we can't finish this day without a coffee and a cheesecake. A huge cup of coffee and a huge piece of cheesecake. The cheesecake is super creamy. Overall, what I bought today from Muji store, Earl Grey tea with Yuja, I don't know what is it, but it must be very delicious. And another package of green tea, lemongrass. I never tried it, so I think it's gonna be pretty good. I was forever in search of this cute whisk for making some beautiful drinks. I hope it's gonna work pretty good at home, so we'll check it. In handicraft place in Insadon Street, we bought this bath bomb. The flavor of lavender, so I think I'm gonna try it today in this amazing luxury bathtub from magazine. From hotel, I decided to buy some creams. These creams, they also can be bought as souvenirs for your friends and family. If you buy any creams or cosmetics in Korea in any automated box or from reception, they are always so good and delicious. Oh my god, watercolor! My favorite one. Yay, I love it, I love it. It looks fabulous and smells just stunning. I'm gonna take a bath and have an amazing time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed the journey. See ya! Bye!
Wow.